How to create an account on Websim AI. So from in there, you should be able to see in here this Websim AI page. Just head over to websim.ai URL, and then you should be able to see in here the top pages, websites, or games that people have created over the past week, past month, as well as just today. Now you can see all of these things right here. So in order to create an account and then do this also, you can click on this URL or search page right here. Once you have clicked on that, it will actually redirect you to the Google. So head over and then sign up your Google account on this page right here. I just head over and then sign up on Websim AI using my Google. And then after I have done that, as you can see, the login button just around here has disappeared. And I should be able to head over and then use this particular tools that they have. So for example, let's click on this 8 bits right here. You can head over and then click on that if you want to actually use it, and you can actually use it as usual. Just like that. So that's how you create an account on Websim AI. Hope we helped.